What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and to this I'm actually going to try something out in this video. I'm not sure if I can do this. Here you can probably see me floating throughout the screen now. But yeah, I want to try out something new, bringing the webcam over here. To be honest, it looks a little bit weird for me for now, but please let me know what you think of it. But someone told me that you can now more clearly see the prices, which is true, obviously. But that's a great thing. Because now you can, and for me it's also naturally more like normal to actually see the prices right here. But without further ado, let's get right into it. Before this, we analyzed Terra Classic and Luna Classic, which was really bullish yesterday. And now I wanted to take a quick look at the new Luna 2.0, or the new Terra, just Terra right now. At some point we are just going to call it Luna, I think. It's not so far from me yet, but I also wanted to do an update on this because we analyzed this yesterday. Ever since, we also got some bullish moves for Luna 2.0, but not that strong as Luna Classic. So I wanted to take a quick look at it, see what those moves meant, and see what's about to happen next. As you can see, the market cap and the volume of Luna is almost the same as Luna Classic. It's a little bit higher. Oh yeah, it's a little bit higher, but still, I mean, you can see what we talked about yesterday is that you have this big downtrend right here with some bullish moves in between. And right now we're arguably and you know, quite visibly, we're in the most bullish recovery we have had ever since the beginning of June. I mean, we've never had a move like this. We had a move like this around $5, which was quite strong, but never something like this. And what you saw yesterday, right now the price is also trying to get up again. What we saw yesterday is, I said that this was the last stop, and I said that the main thing we need to break is that 3.5 level. I mean, if we break above that 3.5 level, you at least break out of this general bear market, or we are in a bear market, but you break out of the general downtrend with this trend line right here, but also the 50 EMA, that red line, which is pressuring us down all the time. And if you break above 3.5, first of all, you can start to think about, you know, maybe even uptrending further by breaking above $4 and getting towards $5 again. But at least what you do is you show some strength from that $2.5 level, that $2 and $2.5. That's the big area. You show some strength from that level, and you'll actually be able to consolidate up here. And maybe if the market drops down again, you'll drop down again to 2.5 and $2 again. But at least you have a big chance of consolidating then, instead of just dropping and dropping, which we have been doing for the last weeks, the last weeks we can say. So that would be very bullish already, even if that means that we'll just be consolidating. But the exciting thing is that it brings the possibility to also continue that by breaking above $4 and getting towards $5. So that's still, I actually do really expect a break off of $3.5, which might be a little bit too optimistic, but yeah, let's get into my prediction or the analysis. But you can see right now, I mean, there's still a lot of resistance here, but I expect us to get some more like bullish momentum, break above 3.5, and what happens from there is it's going to be the most interesting thing. If we're actually able to get towards $4 immediately, we're not going to break that at once, but if we get there very soon, I do think we'll have a big chance at breaking that too and continuing this. On the other side, if we're not able to break above 3.5 within the next 2 days, yeah, we're probably going to drop down to 2.5 and $2 again, and it's hard to say what's going to happen. I think this level could actually hold for a longer period of time than all these supports, because 2.5 and $2, I mean, first of all, it's a big psychological support level. Apart from that, you can also see that it was very strong from these moves, but it's hard to say for now. And then in the middle of all this, in the middle of all these scenarios, you also have inflation rate numbers dropping in about 5 hours after uploading this. If those are going to be good, so if they're going to be low, something like this is going to happen very quickly and very easily probably. But if they're higher than expected, yeah, we're going to drop down all the way to $2 probably, and we could even then extend down. So that's something to watch out for too, and that's basically my analysis. So the analysis was quite messy. I do realize, but hopefully you still found it valuable. Wasn't much of a prediction. I do have a bias towards this scenario, but I still think overall a more technical price analysis on Luna for now is more valuable, I feel like. But you can disagree with me, but if you found it valuable, please consider liking and subscribing. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.